my God. What do we do?
Medics up.
Get that knife, he dropped it! Open the door, get the knife out!
Unlock the door, unlock the door!
Where's my baton? Give me a baton, quick, give me a baton! Move, Williams!
A 22-year-old man calls 911 for help. But within an hour, he's dead, shot 5 times by the very people sent to save him. This is the story of Christian Glass, an artist, a hiker, a kind soul. His car got stuck on a dirt road in the Colorado mountains. Panicked and alone, he called 911, convinced people were following him. He told dispatchers he had tools in his car, a hammer and a few knives for geology. But when deputies arrived, they didn't see an artist. They saw a threat. For over an hour, officers surrounded his car. Some tried to calm him, others yelled commands. Their supervisor, watching remotely, ordered them to break the window. Christian screamed. He begged them to stop. Instead, they fired beanbags, then bullets. 5 shots to the chest. He died alone, seat-belted, clutching a small knife he used to dig rocks. Tests showed no drugs, no alcohol, just fear and confusion. His family called it murder. The state called it a tragedy. The deputies were charged, but justice still hangs in limbo. The Glass family won a $19 million settlement, the largest in Colorado history. It forced reforms and created crisis response programs for people in distress. But no law, no dollar amount, can replace a son who called for help and never got it. Remember Christian Glass. And remember why every call for help deserves compassion, not bullets. All individuals charged are presumed innocent until proven guilty.